Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at SXC's 24-piece Dreamliners, the Pro series. These are all your colours. I like that they're numbered 1 to 24, but they've also got their own names as well. Some really nice colours in this kit. Beautiful. Beautiful colours. I like that it's got a black and a white and a silver and a gold. Love that. So like I did with the 12-piece kit, guys, I'm going to swatch these. I'm just going to do a little line on my swatch stick of all the colours, and then I want to get straight into doing a set with them using a few of the colours. So these are low odour, toxic free, safe for skin, made from natural resin, they're cruelty free and they're vegan friendly. Really good quality gel liners. Inside the box comes like this. So you've got your instruction manual on the top. You've got all the contact details there. I like that you've got pictures with the instructions. Really nice detailed instructions. And then these are the liner gels. How cute are these bottles? I love their logo as well. Really plain and simple, but very professional looking. So, let's get them swatched. Take a look at the colours, shall we? So, you get 5ml. They're in glass bottles. On the back, you have got your ingredients. This one is 01 Snow White. Right, so while I swatch these guys, I've got something exciting to share with you all. So this week I'm going to be uploading a giveaway. It's going to be my Push to 1K giveaway, and SXC has kindly offered to take part. 02 Kissable. And they have offered to give away all 3 of their liner gel kits. So that's going to be 3 winners to win 1 kit each. But SXC are not the only company that has offered to sponsor the giveaway. Tobjan Glam has also offered, and there may be one other company as well. I'm just waiting to hear back from them now. This one is 03 Cosmic. So the SXC gel liners is only going to be available to the UK, unfortunately though, guys, because the person that I deal with at SXC is, he deals with the UK Amazon side of things. So yeah, that one's only going to be available to UK. But Tobjan Glam prizes are international, and there's going to be a few other prizes as well for UK and international. So 04 Glamour. So yeah, it is going to be a pretty epic giveaway. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn your notifications on. That way you'll be notified when I upload that video. You don't want to miss that. We've got 05 Enchanting. So I'm going to speed the rest of these swatches up now, and I shall pop some music on for you, and then I'll come back in once they're all swatched. give those a cure. So that is all the swatches, guys. What do you think? I really like them. I think there's a great choice of colours there. As you can see as well, I've gone over with a shiny top coat on the top, and then I've gone over with a matte top coat on the bottom, just so you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. Do you know what I really like about these as well? I like that you've got a variety of pastel shades, bright shades. You've also got your staple colours, your black, your white, your red, blue, and you've got silver and a gold there as well. You've got a really great variety of choice of colours, haven't you? Yeah, I like them. I really like them. My lines are not very even, are they? I went from really skinny to getting fatter, 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 going back to skinny. I really like how thin you can get these lines though with these liner gels. The brushes on these are really nice, really good quality. You can just feel the quality when you're using them. Yeah, you can get really nice fine lines with those. So that's all the swatches. I've got my tips all set up ready, and I'm going to do a design using some of the colours. So this is the pointer finger, and I'm going to give it a full coat of Aztec colour number 15. I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better. Girl, when I'm with you. Give that a cure in the lamp. The middle nail is going to get a full coat of Avenge, which is colour number 16. And give that a cure in the lamp. Then on the ring finger, we're going to be using 04 Glamour. And lastly, on the pinky, we're going to be using 02 Kissable. Right, back to the pointer finger, and I'm going to be using number 22 Matrix, which is the black. I'm going to be doing a black border all the way around the edge. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp, and I'm going to do the other three off camera because it's going to be the exact same process. And then I'll come back in once I've done all that. We're now back to the pointer finger, and I'm going to be using a darker green, which is this one called Dramatic, number 19. And we're just going to do some shaded lines now. Can anyone guess what nails these are going to be? I'm pretty sure you probably already guessed by now. like that. So I'm going to give that one a cure. And then for the pink one, we're going to use Awesome, colour number 10. Like that. Give that one a cure. Right, so that's the shadow lines all done. Now I'm going to do the light lines, and I'm going to be using number 1 Snow White to do that. Then I want to do and then pop that in the lamp to cure. So that is what they look like shiny. I actually really like them shiny, you know. I think I'm still going to go with matte. Yeah, I'm still going to go with matte. So I'm now going to give them a matte top coat, and then we'll come back and take a look at them all finished. And that is them all finished. What do you think? Guys, I've done a couple of these cartoon designs now, and these have got to be the easiest ones I've done. You know, using the liner gels, where I've usually just used gel paints or gel polish. That was so much easier, so much quicker. I really enjoyed doing them. So let's have a quick look at the swatches again very quickly. So that is the SXC 24-piece gel liner Pro Series colours. Really pretty colours there, isn't there? I likes it. Like I said earlier as well, guys, don't forget I've got this giveaway coming up. In the next few days it will be coming out. So keep your eyes peeled for that video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn your notifications on. That way you'll be notified when I upload that video. I want to say a massive thank you again to SXC for sending all of these gorgeous liner gels. Thank you so much. I'm really enjoying using them. I've got 2 discount codes for SXC, guys. I've got one for the UK Amazon store, which is a massive 20% off. The discount code for that is Gina20 off, all capital letters, all one word. And I've got a 15% off discount code for the SXC website, which is GG15. But I shall leave all that pinned in my comments, along with the links to the website and to the Amazon store. I'm going to leave the links to these gel liner kits as well in my description box. I think that's everything. Yeah, I think that's everything, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.